I have personally ran and tested 136 sales funnels. And I can't stress you enough, there was only about 5 of these that worked. After running millions of dollars in ads to 136 sales funnels in my Go High Level account, here's the top 5 that converted the most and with different funnel types that you can take them, get inspiration, swipe them, and start making more money. So let's hop into it. So we're gonna come into the iPad here. I've run a lot of webinars, and we are gonna showcase to you the highest converting webinar opt-in pages, okay? So this was one of them that we ran for a client. We did one without the VSL, and then we did one with the VSL, and this one without the VSL converted better. Straight to the point, very simple. And sometimes the most simplest landing pages convert the best. Okay, and we like to do A/B split tests a lot because what we say is what the avatar then dictates they're going to get as far as their result, which can change very, very often. Okay, but this headline, subheadline, top bar, all of this converted very well. This is number 1. Number 2 was this one. Okay, this is my webinars that convert challenge page. Okay, launch a profitable webinar funnel in just one day. This is a second variation of my webinars plus my challenges. And this page does very, very well. It's very nicely UIX'd. It's custom built, custom developers. This page costs me about $4,000 to $5,000 to get built. I think it was like $4,900, whatever it was. But this is the page. You know, pop-ups, very good, etc. Has the compliance on it. You know, if you click something on here, like the colors will change. Very cool, very interactive. A lot of things move on the page. It's like the screenshots here on the top hero headline. You'll see the 300K revenue thing move up and down, the 262, 533K. All of these things are moving on the screen. Very interactive. Looks very professional. Okay. The third page was this. Very simple. No swiping. Literally, you get everything on the one page to where people can't doom scroll down your page and get distracted and lost. Okay, how I built a $1 million a month high ticket business running one live webinar per week. Yes, I want it now. Fill out the form, goes right to the thank you page. Very simple, straight to the point with a simple hero image here. Jason Wojo, founder of Wojo Media, world's most sought after marketer, which is very true. I have the most views online and we book the most calls than any other agency on the entire internet. So it's really cool. You know, like this ideology works. Like I don't want people to get too distracted. Okay, so this is funnel 3. Okay, let's go to the next funnel. I did a quiz funnel once. Okay, this was the quiz funnel. The first couple I showed you were challenge funnels and free webinar funnels. This now is a quiz funnel. Okay, this quiz funnel, by the way, did not convert. I put a lot of time and energy into it. I built out custom questions where they go through it. People just were not willing to fill it out. So I don't know. It's a complete skunk or goose egg. Next funnel is a booking call VSL funnel. Okay, I ran this for our webinar offer. Okay, and this one flopped. Okay, this VSL, nice on Wistia, goes right to the application page to go to Calendly. This unfortunately did not convert. So what did I do? I'll show you in a second. Okay, this is the application from a VSL. Next page, we'll go to this one. Okay, this was a booking call funnel. This only did well on organic. On organic, I have this in my bio on Instagram. This funnel did the best for booking calls on organic, but not through paid traffic. And you can go to my Instagram at the Jason Wojo, click this link, you can visit it yourself. Next page. This is a 2-step booking for booked calls where you have headline, step 1, step 2, where you embed the Calendly. Obviously, this Calendly is not valid anymore because I do not run this page anymore for paid ads. This page with a nice VSL, I had a whole slide deck, everything flopped. It was too long. My cost per call was like $800. Wasn't worth it. Even with the Trustpilot, good reviews, nice condensed 2-step lander, kind of like this page that I showed you before. Very simple, not enough swiping. It flopped, and I try to use that same methodology on this page, and it did not do well. Okay. Now, what's the fourth funnel that did well? This one. This page has been running for 5 years straight. It has never flopped. This is my highest converting page of all of them. Okay. And this is for my done for you ads offer. This is a very simple, straight to the point page. I'll scroll through there, you know, show you the methodology and the structure and the sequencing. A lot of testimonials, FAQs, go straight to Calendly. This is by far our highest performing page. And I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that I made the button sticky on the top of the page. And I think the reason why is because as you scroll, the book call now button is sticky on the page as they scroll. That one feature did help a lot. You can incorporate that. You can find someone on Fiverr to do it really freaking cheap. Now let's go to the final page. This is the 5th winning landing page that I currently have. Okay, this is our webinar done for you offer. It's not very optimized for iPad or desktop. For mobile, this thing cranks. Okay, this page is my 2nd ever highest converting funnel. Now, I took all the stuff that you would get inside of this VSL. I took the VSL, transcribed it, and then I did this. I put it into a slide deck. I took this, went into Canva, and I embedded a slide deck into the page. If you ever see my webinar ads, click on them. You can visit this page yourself. But this whole slide deck angle crushes right now. People don't want to watch these long videos anymore. So I went to slide deck and basically the same concept, just go from here right to Calendly and then they can book. So those are my top 5 winning funnels right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. After running 136 sales funnels, after flunking 95% of them, I found 5 that crush every single day of the week. When I'm sending traffic across different market conditions over several years, they have crushed time and time again. I figured them out so that you don't have to. So if you want us to build these kind of funnels for you and beat the learning curve, click the Calendly link in the description, book a call with us, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.